guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review a mosquito repellent, which is the Hit Mosquito Spray. This is what we have for review today, the Hit Mosquito Spray, and today we will be reviewing this product. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes in this large can here with a spray nozzle to it, and there's a button to spray it right here. And right here we can see the Hit branding, and it says for mosquitoes and flies. It kills dengue, kills malaria, mosquitoes, and there's an offer right now, ₹50 off on this. So they say it's a new formula, new hit by the name of it. Moving on, the net contents of this is 625 ml. This is a big spray, 625 ml. So you need to just spray daily in every corner of the house to keep the mosquitoes away. So yeah, coming to the price of the product, the MRP of the product is ₹279 for 625 ml, and it's a pretty good spray, like decent. I've been using it and it has definitely reduced the amount of mosquitoes in the room after spraying it, but then the amount of time it keeps the mosquitoes away is like around 4 hours or something. After that you will find mosquitoes again if you are keeping the doors open. So it is good for use in a smaller room or in the closed rooms, but not good enough for places like a living room where you have open doors and stuff, where the mosquitoes can come in and out of other rooms. So yeah, it's good for closed rooms, not the best kind of a mosquito repellent for a open door room. So yeah, overall the price is, like I told you, $279 for 625 ml, and the net quantity is 625 ml, like I told you. So very simple to use. You just need to press this button right here, and here's a spray nozzle through which the spray is shot into the air. So yeah, this is what the product is. So like I told you, I used it. It's good enough for a closed room. It will keep the mosquitoes away. But if you end up using it in an open room like a living room or something, then it doesn't work very well, because there will be some of the other mosquitoes left in the room that will come and attack you. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.